Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for BMO Esavings, where we will guide you through the steps to maximize your savings and make the most of this online banking feature. First, let's start with the basics. BMO Esavings is a high-interest savings account that allows you to earn interest on your deposits, while still having easy access to your money. To get started, you will need to open a BMO Esavings account, which can be done online or in person at a BMO branch. Once your account is open, you can start taking advantage of the benefits of BMO Esavings. One of the key features of this account is the ability to set savings goals and track your progress. This can be done by setting up a savings plan, where you can specify how much you want to save and by when. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Another best practice for BMO Esavings is to take advantage of the high interest rate. This can be done by keeping a large balance in your account, as the interest rate is tiered based on your balance. You can also consider setting up a savings ladder, where you have multiple accounts with different interest rates and terms to maximize your earnings. In addition to these features, BMO Esavings also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your savings. For example, you can use the account manager to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. You can also set up alerts and notifications to remind you when transfers are made or when your account balance falls below a certain threshold. To get the most out of BMO Esavings, it's also important to be mindful of the fees associated with the account. For example, there may be fees for transactions, such as withdrawals or transfers, and for services like overdraft protection. By being aware of these fees and taking steps to avoid them, you can keep your savings on track and maximize your earnings. Finally, it's worth noting that BMO Esavings is a secure and reliable way to save your money. The account is insured by the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, which means that your deposits are protected up to a certain amount. Additionally, BMO has a range of security measures in place to protect your account and prevent unauthorized access. By following these best practices, you can make the most of your BMO Esavings account and achieve your savings goals. Remember to set savings goals and track your progress. Take advantage of the high interest rate. Use the available tools and resources. Be mindful of fees, and rest assured that your account is secure. With BMO Esavings, you can save with confidence and earn a high interest rate on your deposits.